Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing gear. Put the headset nearby and grab the DualSense. Once done, choose wired first because it's fastest and needs no drivers. Make sure the headset cable or USB adapter is securely seated in the controller or console. You'll next tell the Ps5 where to send audio, so don't skip logging into your profile. If you have a USB sound card included with the headset, keep it ready. You'll plug that into the console in the next step. Now you perform the core setup. If using 3.5mm, plug the headset into the DualSense jack. Then go to Settings Sound Microphone and set Input Device to Controller Microphone and Output Device to Headphones. If using the USB adapter, plug it into a Ps5 USB port and choose that adapter as both input and output. Make sure chat audio and game audio balance is tuned to your preference. You must test mic monitoring and volume, so game chat is audible without drowning game. Finish by testing. Join a party or start a game with voice so you can confirm input and output. Adjust master volume and mic level until the balance is comfortable. If something fails, try a quick restart of the Ps5 and reseat cables. Make sure the adapter is fully inserted. If problems persist, update headset firmware on a PC with Razer Synapse, or reset the DualSense using the pinhole on the back. That usually resolves device recognition and mic routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.